Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so kunin na natin yung chart. So, pull up here. Then, as you can see, ang confirmation natin is sell. As you can see here, sell plus buy. Sell plus buy. Check. Okay, sell plus buy. So, ang gagawin natin is sell plus buy is equals to buy position. 12.15 mark natin. Then, tingnan natin yung confirmation kung matutupad dun. Suppose. Okay, so update dito. Si ONC, mag-enter tayo. Most likely, kasi ito ang highest ng green candle. Ito ang lowest, ay ang highest ng red candle, which is mas mataas yung green candle. So, there's a chance na mag-enter tayo dito. 90% risk. Okay, 90% risk up until 230. Dito, taasan na muna natin. Sobra muna to. Okay, so hindi natin mag-close sa 12.15. Okay, wait lang muna natin. Okay, so ito, magka-close na siya. So, naka-ready natin ang ating position. We're going for a buy here. Okay, wait lang natin siya mag-close in 1 minute. Wait lang. Okay, so entering na tayo here. Okay, wait lang. 3, 2, 1, enter. Okay, so lock na natin to. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so nangyari is kumain ako. Then, as you can see here, nag-take profit man tayo kahit konti. There's, wala lang price movement dito masyado. During this time, wala lang price movement masyado. This time, puro pababa. So, nandito siguro yung price movement. So, pagdating dito, wala na siya price movement. So, yun lang siguro nangyari. Then, ba't ako nag-enter? Kasi, nakita natin tong mataas na green candle compare sa mataas ng red candle ng around this time frame. Nakita natin mas mataas yung green candle. So, based sa confirmation natin, correct siya. So, correct naman siya. Nag-take profit naman tayo. So, ayun lang. That's the thought behind this trade. So, ang profit natin is around 70%. So, ayun lang.